Clock this place, man. What a dump.
What you for?
Whiskey, my man. Only whiskey.
Excellento. Right, boss. Fire us up 2 bells.
You gotta go to the church if you want some bells.
You're a funny bastard, aren't you? You should be in a comic. Fatty.
This one's in me.
Good. Whiskies.
Jesus, that stuff's mental.
Why, is that paraffin? Are you ripping the piss?
That'll be the red eye.
You're a die, you dick.
Here, you, mate. Where'd you get your clothes?
Clothes? Gotta go across the street if you want some clothes, English.
Do we look English?
I thought.
Never mind what you thought. You're right. Do we sound English?
Did you hear us saying how now a brown cow?
Wait a second. Hold on.
Shut up. Rat that pish the new.
We're for Glesga. Glasgow.
And so far, your tune's shite.
Okay, well then.
These are crackers, mate. Well comfy.
Aye, totally. Here, who makes these, mate?
I did, son. Have done for the past 5 years. FW Nike. Got a store in Culver City, too.
Nike boots. Excellento.
Aye, much.
$3 a pair.
Do you hear that, Colso? $3.
Top onions. Know what, mate? You're a good guy.
Here, Colso. Look this. I'm a cowboy. Poo the move.
I'm gonna shoot me some engines in there.
Here, mate. Where can we get jackets and that?
You gotta go 2 doors down. Fella makes some fine jackets and some trousers to go with them. Goes by the name of Kappa. George W. Kappa.
Come on, we'll get ourselves some kappa.
Kappa! Kappa!
You're gonna fall.
No, mummy.
Hiya.
No, mummy.
Hiya.
No, mummy. See? All right, now.
Leave me alone.
Must have the painters in.
Here, you.
Yeah?
That's the biggest moustache I've ever seen, you dick.
That moustache must have made you deaf. Is it full of old food and that?
You keep your dinner in your moustache. Peas and that.
Chicken and beans and all that.
That's enough now, boys.
Oh, no. Tashy's all tooled up, man.
I know, man. I'm totally shiting it for Mr. Moustache.
I'm going to turn you upside down and sweep the flare with your big moustache. You fanny.
You gentlemen would like to take this outside.
No. Away you outside your ride.
I'll see you 2 boys in the main street tomorrow. High noon.
Shut up. We don't get out our wanking chariots to the back of the road.
Aye, man. Noon, man. Get it up, you.
Gentlemen, I hate to rain on your parade, but you got yourselves an appointment. 12 noon.
Oh, no, man. Noon, man. Tashy, man.
I'm pissed. I'm not fighting Andy. Till I get something to eat.
you're starving. I'm got chicken, what have you got?
Buffalo man's good, man.
That's tops, man.
Aye, man.
Where's Big Tassie?
Time to die, gentlemen.
Oh, Big Tassie's still in the half. Where's Piss Tassie?
Hey, Tassie. Well, howling. Dear that.
No.
Oh, come on, Tassie, take a wee bit. Don't be daft.
Hey, Tassie. You can shoot us after. Dear that.
Hey, come on. Daddy. Yeah. You after you die,
Aye, man.
does your moustache keep growing?
Aye, smogging.
Gentlemen, you have been found guilty of murder, robbery, arson, urinating in a public place, and by defaming Miss Galatly at the public schoolhouse by calling her... Why'd he call her again? A fat, stupid, ugly cow.
Well, she is.
Shut up!
No, you shut up.
Gentlemen, you are sentenced to hang by your necks until you are dead. Do you have anything to say?
Aye. You're a dick.
Aye, man. And cowboys are assholes.
May God have mercy on your souls.
This is pish. Are you still breathing?
I'm on a wee bit. I think I'll be dead in a minute.
Totally. I'm the same.
How you feeling? Yeah.
Worse, man.